how to get more car count for your auto repair shop? On this video, I'm going to ask you one single question. Get the answer to that question right, and it will totally change the way you do your marketing, the way you do your advertising, the way you create your offers. It'll totally change everything about the way you operate your auto repair shop, and it'll create a little car count machine for you. And the best part is, there's no other guru that's going to tell you this. So buckle up because we're going to start right now. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome back to the Car Count Hackers. On this channel, we're all about growing your car count, income, and profits. And if you're a repair shop owner and you want to change the lifestyle of everyone that you care about, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So you ready to get started with this? Do you really want to know what that question is? Because I promise you can search thousands of videos and no one's going to tell you this. So here's the question. When it comes to marketing your auto repair shop and creating offers or ads, answer this question. Do you want a customer to get a sale, or do you want a sale to get a customer? Now go ahead and think about that. In fact, you might want to write that down. Do you want a customer to get a sale, or do you want a sale to get a customer? Because there's a huge difference in what the correct answer is. But when you get the answer correct, it's like you've cracked the code for getting car count anytime you want. Hey, by the way, before we carry on in this, in the comments below, would you tell me? We're testing some new audio gear on these videos, and I just want to hear what you've got to say. Does the audio sound good? Clear? Let me know in the comments below. So back to that question. What do you really want when you're doing your marketing and advertising? Do you want a customer to get a sale, or do you want a sale to get a customer? And here's the hook on this video. I'm not going to give you the answer in this video. I'm going to ask you to leave your comments below and tell me which way you think is right. Now listen, I'm not trying to set you up for, a bunch of hate or anything. Any, harsh comments are just going to immediately get deleted. I watch comments on a regular basis, so don't worry about that. I'm not trying to set you up so I can say, ha, you got it wrong, because truth is, I got it wrong at the beginning too. When I ran a shop, I didn't quite understand this. And then when you understand the real way and the reasons behind it, which I'm going to explain in another video, another good reason why you should subscribe, ring the bell icon, and you'll be the first to know when I release that video. But you're going to want to know what the right way is to proceed, because it's going to change everything about the marketing and advertising that you do for your shop. In case you didn't know, check the links below. I'm just about ready to release my brand new training course. Oh, by the way, did I tell you it's free? A brand new training course on how to double your car count in 89 days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. I'm going to show you the simple 3 pillars that you need to understand in order to make your own car count machine. It's really simple. There's only 3 things you need to know. And then I'm going to detail the car count cube. That's what I call it. It's the 4 factors. It's the acid test for marketing your auto repair shop. So anytime you're offered an idea or anything like that, somebody calls you and say, hey, do you want to do Google AdWords, or you want to do Facebook advertising and all that stuff? Just run it by this simple acid test and you'll know. I'll show you how to make every dime of your marketing budget work like it's $1. So go ahead in the links below. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and tickle that like button. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell icon, and that way you'll be the first to know when I release the update to this video, where I'm going to tell you the actual truth behind whether you really want a customer to get a sale or you want a sale to get a customer. My name's Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.